Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on Android phone without application. Okay, if you want to scan a QR code, you have to go to your quick panel setting. You can swipe down and swipe down one more time, and we're going to swipe left your screen. And here you can click on scan QR code like this, and you can find a QR code right here, or you can also upload a photo or QR code photo from your device. You just need to click on this icon to upload it. And for example, I'm going to scan this QR code like this. Okay, and you can click on the done option and just wait for a moment. Okay, and this is the result. You will get the contact info of the QR code, and you will have some options right here. You can select add to contact, call, send message, or send email. And I'm just going to click on cancel. Alright guys, and that's how we can scan the QR code using Android phone without an application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.